In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in PowerPoint, just like this one. Keep watching. Hello guys, this is Online Office Teacher, where I help you manage your data and information through online video, just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So to create my YouTube thumbnail, I open PowerPoint. Having opened PowerPoint, I go over to the slides group and I choose layout. Then I go ahead and click on blank. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a background. So I click on design. Then I go over to format background. Under fill, I choose picture or texture fill. Under picture source, I click on insert. From a file, I have my picture here. I select it, then I click on insert, and it will cover the background. Next, I go over to insert, and I'm going to go ahead and insert a text box. I click on text box, then I go ahead and draw my text box in here. I go ahead and enter my text. How to create YouTube Shorts using PC. You see that my text is looking small, so I select everything. Then I go over to the font group and I click on the font arrow right here, and it will open up the font dialog box. Under effects, I choose all caps and I click on OK. Next, I go ahead and change the font. So under font, I drop down the arrow and I'll choose Gilt Sans MT. I'll increase the size. I can make my text bold as well as apply a shadow. Perfect. Next, I go ahead and open up the text box so that I have my text in 3 lines like this, and I can reposition my text. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add an image that is related to my thumbnail. So first of all, I click aside, then I click on insert pictures, this device, and I'll go ahead and choose this insert. Take note, this is the YouTube Shorts image. I reduce the size from here and I can drag it and reposition it right here. You see that my text is not standing out, so what I can do is I can go ahead and change the background color. So to do that, I go over to design, format background. I click on picture under format background. Then I go ahead and click on picture color. Under recolor, I drop down the arrow and I can go ahead and choose any of these recolor options. For this tutorial, I'll choose this blue color. And you see that my text is still not standing clearly. So what I do is I select the text box. Then I go over to home. Under font color, I drop down the arrow and I choose white. Perfect. And now the design of my thumbnail is done. I can leave it like this and go ahead and save and use it on my YouTube video. Now if I want to take the design further, I can duplicate the slide by right clicking. Click on duplicate slide. Then on this slide, I want to reduce the text in here. So what I'll do is I remove how to, or better still, I can remove create and I'll leave it as YouTube Shorts using PC. So I'll select the text box and I'll increase the size. Maybe 72. I think 72 is cool. And I'll go ahead and center it. Perfect. I can also increase the size of my image here. Awesome. Next, I go ahead and add a shadow to my image. So with the image selected, I go over to picture tools, click on picture format. I drop down the arrow here and I can explore the image styles right here. I'll go with this. Perfect. Maybe the top one too, I can add the shadow like this. So now I can go ahead and compare the 2 images and see which one will capture my viewers better. Visitors on YouTube may not have the time to read all this text, but if you use short sentences, it may lead to more views. However, I can go ahead and save these 2 thumbnails and decide which one I will use in future. So now that the design is done, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and save my thumbnail. To do that, I go over to File, then I click on Save As. I browse for the location where I want to save my file, and this way I want to save it, so I can give it a name, YouTube thumbnail. Under save as type, I drop down the arrow and I'm going to go ahead and use PNG. You can also use JPEG if you want. However, PNG will give you high resolution, so I choose that and I go ahead and click on save. And PowerPoint will ask you if you want to export all the slides. Take note, I have 2 slides. If that is what I want, I click on all slides. And each slide will be saved as a separate file in my folder. I click on OK. Now if I go to where I save my thumbnail, you see that I have a folder called YouTube thumbnail. If I open it, you will see the 2 thumbnails. So that's it on how to create a YouTube thumbnail using PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.